Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be super quick today because brunch is about to start. I'm already like kind of almost behind schedule, and I am responsible for bringing the alcohol, and the person who is responsible for bringing the alcohol cannot show up late because it's just gonna dead the mood of the entire event.
Mommy!
Yes?
My tooth is gone.
Let me see. Do you want to show everyone?
Yeah.
You guys, Shia is saying her tooth is gone. Here, come. Can you show them where your tooth is gone? No, sweetie, your tooth isn't gone.
Look right here.
No, your tooth isn't gone. You just have a gap. That's called a gap, and it is so beautiful, and people wish they had gaps all the time. Your gap is beautiful. You get that from your dad. So now it's time for us to get Shia ready, but if you guys want to see how I did this quick 10-minute beat, keep watching.
No, I'm going to say mine. I missed my tooth and
Right.
in a gap.
It's time for us to get Shia ready now.
A gap.
For the, yes, you have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful gap. I love it.
Crack it in the tooth.
And I will
Crack it in
see
the
you guys I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Spray my skin first with my all-nighter. I'm actually going to use my MAC NC27, which is a little bit darker, but whatever. Just need a little bit because we're literally just doing like the everyday face, like a face that I would do if I was like in my car at work. Because normally that's where I do my makeup. Like if I have a little bit of time and if I'm in the mood to do it. Most of the time I do not wear makeup at work. Like I just go all natural. But if I happen to arrive a little bit early that day and I'm in the mood to do it, I'll do a quick beat. I've gotten to the point where I can complete my beat in 10 minutes. So that is what we're gonna do today. Like for real. And like when I do my makeup for work, I don't even like do my brows how I typically do them like on my channel. I do it a completely different way. So I got the new e.l.f. Hydro Concealer. Now I did get Fair Warm because I didn't see light sand anywhere. So just had to do what I had to do. Hopefully this is okay. Oh, this is too much already. I put too much concealer. I usually do not use as much concealer when I'm just like going to work, but we'll make it work. Always do. Ooh, I like this one because it really is hydrating. Ooh, but it's so light, bro. Yeah, I put too much concealer. Like, I'm just trying to rush, like, and I knew the moment I did it, I'm like, this is too much concealer, but it's okay. We're gonna tone it down. I'm just flipping my beauty blender over and just like going in with the butt of it to tone it down, and it's helping. So it's fine. It's working out. So now I'm going to start setting. So I'm going to go in with my Airspun powder first. Literally just going to use this little puff here because this is what I would do if I was at work, like rushing in my car. And then I would go in with my Urban Decay powder and of course like lightly dust this so good. I've been using a different technique, and so in the past where I would go all the way up to underneath my eye, I'm not doing that anymore. Nope. I've got my BH Pro Studio powder in the shade 230. I'm gonna just dust this away really lightly. Go in with this all over. And I'm so busy rushing. I skipped this step. I would normally contour with like a stick, but I'm gonna just chill out today. I'm gonna go in with my Minty Cosmetics. I'm so nervous, like because I'm running late and I don't want to be too late. I don't want anyone to be mad at me, but I swear to you, I'm always that one family member that shows up late to like everything. And I'll take a little bit of the shimmery side and I'll just pop a little bit on the lid just because. Just because. I'm gonna go in with a lippy. Now this is new. I saw one of my coworkers wearing it and it was so pretty on her. Her name is Jamie and I think this is the one she showed me. It was the Less Chocolate Infallible 854 Bittersweet L'Oreal liquid lipstick, and it was on sale for $3.98. I literally just picked this up the other night from Target. And then I picked up this as well. It is the Rimmel London Scandalous Eyes, but it's the Curve Alert. And so what I'll do is I'll put on my mascara. I usually do like a couple coats. And when I'm done, instead of like dipping the brush back into the mascara, I'll just use it to go over my eyebrows with. And that is what I do. And really all I'm doing is just like, just brushing them up and out. Boom. That is it. And that's it. I really don't do anything else outside of this. I might, if I'm feeling up to it, I'll go in with this shimmery side on this side and just kind of pull it up on the higher points of my cheekbones so it seems like I have some sort of like luminousness slash glow. But other than that, I don't do any sort of like highlighting really, because you know, it's like every day you're just at work, you're chilling, you know. But yeah, so this is it. This is like my everyday sort of look that I do when I have like 10 minutes to spare in my car before work, and this is what I do. Usually I really don't do like this darker lip. I'll do like more of like a pinky nudie kind of gloss or something like that, or clear gloss, something simple. But in this case, because I have on this dress and I am headed to brunch with my cousins, I decided to pair it with a darker lip, so it looks like I did something here. It looks like I put in a little bit more effort. So this is what I do, and my hair is gonna say how it is, and we are off to brunch. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't watched already, please go watch my little ring light video from Newer, because that is what I'm currently filming with. So if you like it, I will leave the link for that ring light down below. I only paid $35 for it. It's a little table ring light. Great investment, especially if you're on a budget. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys later.